Rules and data, rules and data. Well, if you are new to Pega, you will hear these two terms a lot. But did you know that the Pega platform beautifully separates your application's logic and its data to rules and data instances? In this video, I will walk you through the importance of the separation, give you a demonstration, and explain the fundamental difference between rules and data instances. So stay around until the end. My name is Abhishek and I'm a certified senior system architect with nearly a decade of experience as a Pega developer. Rules are what make up your application's logic. These are what you use to build the functionality in your application. Some of the most common rule types are when rules, activity rules, data transforms, data pages, flow actions, and section rules. Data instances, on the other hand, define the actual data being used in your application. Some examples are operator IDs, access groups, work queues, work groups, dynamic system settings, and data type records. This clear separation between your application's logic and its data makes it much easier to modify the data without touching the underlying logic. Let's say you have a drop-down list populated with city values from a data type. And you want to add a new city like New York to the list. All you need to do is add a new data record for New York in the data type. There is no need to modify any rules or alter the application logic. Similarly, let's say you misspelled a city in the drop-down list. For example, Los Angeles. Now to correct it, all you need to do is update the corresponding data record in the data type. Again, no logic change is required. This separation makes data updates faster, easier, and less risky, since there is no chance of accidentally introducing bugs by changing the logic. From a deployment perspective, whenever you need to promote this data change to a higher environment, you only need to package and deploy the updated data record. There is no need to repackage and redeploy the underlying rules. Now let me ask you a question to test your understanding. I want you to answer it in the comments below. Let's say you need to remove a city from the drop-down list. Would it require a logic change? What change would you make, and where would you make that change to remove it? Finally, if you are new to Pega and looking to build a career as a Pega developer and would like me to mentor or coach you directly to help you get there faster, comment the word mentorship below and I'll get back to you with all the details. You can also send me a direct message on social media, links in the description. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up to let me know, and hit the subscribe button for more quick tips to level up your Pega game. Thanks for watching.